Peggy, I'm going to burn that shirt because you're always wearing that shirt. You're going to get burnt.
He posed for the picture.
I know.
You should take a picture of that later.
I screenshot it. Rocky, what are you doing? Trying to find some food crumbs under there, huh?
Rocky.
Yep, you smell some kind of food. Rocky, don't be going all the way under there. Get your head cut off. Rocky.
Rocky.
Have fun getting out of there. Hi, Puggy.
Piper.
Hi, Piper.
Piper.
Oh, no, oh, no.
Ah.
Don't do it, don't do it.
I think he's gonna try to jump onto Rocky.